Dante, how are they doing with it? As Matt said, it is a bit convoluted because you have these Social Security payments that were coming into JJ and Tylee, which Lori was living off of. But, you know, to me, they're better off alive then if you're living off that money that they're getting because of the deaths of their fathers. But, you know, there's the life insurance and there's the rest of it. It's a tangled type of story. It's not as easy to follow, believe it or not, as the religious craziness. Michael, how would you defend Lori Vallow Daybell?
It would be very difficult. It would be very difficult. And I'll tell you why. My co-panelists just mentioned the testimony from the son. When your own son is testifying and there's recorded calls of him telling you, you know, you murdered my siblings, you lied to me, that's going to be very difficult. If I had to defend Lori Daybell, I would do it exactly the way her defense attorneys are doing it right now. In his opening statement, he said, look, when the children died, they died in the apartment of Alex Cox when Lori was, you know, thousands of miles away in her apartment. So I would defend her by saying, look, there are other people. You're not going to be able to say no one did anything wrong. Right? And so my job as her defense attorney is to defend her and only her, and not to defend the events or to defend the murders, to only defend her and her culpability. It would be a challenge, but that's what I would do, and that's what they're doing.